everybody, this is Daryl from Ural of New England, and today I want to show you something that you're probably hardly ever going to find in a Ural dealership these days. This is a Ural Retro, and they discontinued these bikes back in 2018. We still have brand new ones in stock. Just a few, but they are still available. This one is a special edition from us. It has some extra accessories on it that are not standard on this bike. Spare tire, sidecar mirror, front bumper, special handlebar grips, and the rear rack pad. These bikes have the nice liner kit inside the sidecar, make things nice and comfortable. This also has a sidecar wooden dash. And last but not least, it has your front fender plate on it. So, very nice, very tasteful, very retro looking. So, if you'd like more information on this bike or any of the other ones we have in our inventory, please contact us at AlphaCars.com. Thank you very much. My name is Daryl. Hope you enjoyed the video.